So I have created some slides, and with the help of this I'm gonna demonstrate what I have done till now. Most of the my work is based on code changes and not much on the UI side. So I have updated the code style and fixed the inconsistencies in the project. There were lots of components which were class based or attribute based, and they were not functioning in when I upgraded the project to Bootstrap 5. So I changed it, and I'm now the components are imported from the library. Then I have migrated the project from Bootstrap 4 to Bootstrap 5. It's the latest version, and these are the two libraries which were redundant and used in the application. So React model was used in our project, and so I have removed both of them, and I have to change. I have to replace the React model with the Bootstrap model. So there's that change, and then I have customized the Bootstrap according to our project's requirement and our color theme. Then I have updated the design documentation, like how to compile the SAS files, and I have restructured the assets folder. And lastly, I have worked on the new Figma design, which is having a left navbar drawer, which I will be showing in a few minutes. And currently, I'm working on the login/register page, the home page, and I'm working on customizing the SAS files according to the components which are required. One second, I'm just sharing my screen again. So this is the new Figma design, and these are all the screens that I have designed. So first one is the login screen. I have not changed this one. So login and sign up screen. These two screens are okay for now. So this is the organization list screen. This is the new design. Okay, and as you can see, this is having a left drawer. Okay, and this one is the request screen and the role screen. This one is the organization dashboard screen. I'll share the Figma link in the chat. So I have designed this screen for the posts, and Ashima is working on it, so it's up to her if she will follow this design in future or anything. I have designed two layouts, this one and this one. Then organization people screen. So here you can filter the people and look into the options, like you want to search it by first name, last name, email, etc. So this is the user details screen, and it has like 5 tabs. This one is the overview tab. This one is the organization tab. So you can see the created organizations, joined organizations. You can also sort them, and you can see the number of events, the events that are created by the user. This one is for the tags that the user has created. Sorry, the user is assigned to. Okay, and these are the actions. So in this tab, you can edit the details of the user, or you can delete the user. And the last screen is organization settings screen. So in the screen, you can edit the organization details, or you can delete the organization. That's it.
Do you have any designs for the super admin screens, like various organizations under which the super admin could take a look at? Because we have that at the moment also.
Organizations at which the super admin can look at now.
Right.
I think, yeah, one second. I'm sharing screen. So you mean like organization list screen now?
Yes, it would be.
This is the screen. Okay.
Okay, so that would be what the super admin sees, and then they click.
Yeah.
Okay, and so when a regular admin logs in, they would just go straight through to the. What screen would the regular admin see when they log in?
Okay. So I have not yet created that flow yet.
Okay.
Okay.
But it would seem as if the dashboard one would be the most logical one, right?
Yeah, the dashboard now.
Okay.
Yeah, I think. Yeah, admin can. Yeah, I think it's a good idea.
Okay.
Yeah, the admin will be sent to this dashboard screen once he logins.
Okay. Now, what this means is that, okay, so you've designed the screen. We have two of the Calico Challenge people who are going to be working on a dashboard screen, and so I guess they'll have to be going to you to try and figure out how to actually populate this data for this particular screen, I think, because I don't think that comes under anybody else's requirements.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so I will try to see how we can get them to talk to you about doing the population here. I think we're also going to be asking them to do some additional features. So, good. All right, and
okay.
All right. So this is well. When we received a bunch of the GSoC applications for new designs, I mean, all of them were much more professional looking, much slicker, and I'm glad that we selected you for this particular one, because this is a good rendering so far. So let's see whether we can get the actual code behind the scenes working. But it's really crisp and clean, and it seems a lot more navigatable than we had before. So that's really good. So congrats on that. Does anybody else have any comments or questions for Rishav? Okay, so the next month is going to have what will you be working on for the next month?
Okay, so for the next month, currently I'm working on this login and register screen. Okay, then the flow will be like this only. This is like a series. Okay, so starting from sign up, I will work on organization screen, request screen, role screen, like this.
Okay, so you're just going straight down the line.
Yeah, exactly.
And then, as you do them, who would you be notifying the people responsible for those components or screens? How is that going to work?
Okay, so there are these screens over here: the post screen and the event screen, and this tag screen also. So these three screens are like, I think Ishan and Ashima are working on these screens. So I will not work on them currently. Okay, because they have their own ideas and their own designs in their mind. So I will work on other screens, and I have also not designed the tags and event screen, and that is what they will do now. That's right.
Okay, but you did have an alternative post. You did have a post screen, didn't you?
Yeah. This one.
Right.
Yeah.
I see. So that's when you're saying that Ashima could choose one of them, or she could create her own?
Yeah, it's up to her.
Okay. All right, good. Thanks. Does anybody have any questions or comments on what they've just seen here?